Then sew around the 3 corners, leaving the bottom open. Trim the seams of the collar to reduce bulk, and then turn it right side out and press that flat. Take both collar stand pieces and place on either side of the collar, right side facing. And then join with a straight stitch around, leaving the bottom of the collar stand open. And don't forget to press when you're done. To sew the button stand, take the dress to the ironing board and press down the amount you left for your button stand. I wanted my button stand to be 1 inch, so I pressed down 1.5 inch and then folded half an inch in to make a 1 inch stand. Press that and take it to the sewing machine and sew on both sides of the button stand. Time to attach the collar to the body of the dress. Take one of the collar stand pieces and place the edge of the collar stand and the edge of the button stand together. This is important to ensure that they both blend in smoothly and you don't have anything puckering out. Pin that in place and then just pin around the rest of the collar stand and the neckline and sew around. Take the other collar stand piece and fold in the hemming allowance to cover the stitch you just made and pin it in place. Continue pinning around, and once you're done, take it to the sewing machine and sew from the right side in the same joint. To attach the sleeve, place right sides facing together and then join with a straight stitch around the curve of the sleeve. Once the sleeves have been attached, close up the sides of the dress and the sleeves with a straight stitch. So unfortunately at this point of editing I discovered and I lost clips of all the finishing steps. So basically what I did next after joining the sides together was to sew zigzag stitches to finish the raw edge of the side seams and the sleeves as well as the hem. And then I attached the cuffs the same way I attached the collar, and then I hemmed the bottom of the dress with a bias tape. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends.